Look at these cute flowers, guys. It looks so pretty and they're real. But I'm just feeling the fall vibes. I want fall to come and just have all that vibe because it's cooler now, but those flowers are giving me that spring energy. Hi guys, I'm just in Rite Aid, gonna pick up some packages. And look at this, they have some Halloween stuff out. It's like a snow globe, but it's like Halloween vibe. Look how cool. I like how it's got like the raven on the skull. It's so like magical and Halloween. And then I saw these are kind of cool too, but they look a little bit too fake. And yeah, I'm just so happy for the little bits of Halloween vibe going on. Then there's this little 3 skull guy down here. I feel like those videos I watch online. There's a raven. Oh, I'm just so excited for Halloween. I cannot wait for it, guys. It is pumpkin spice season, guys. I'm so excited. Look at the pumpkin spice drinks, but I got my own custom one that I wanted. Literally getting all the looks for wearing this outfit out, but I live in a lake town, come on. But I got this drink I saw on TikTok, guys. I'm super excited to try it. I think they didn't put the cloud foam on it, but I asked them to put a couple pumps of pumpkin spice in it, so I hope it's good. Let's try this baby out, and I'm gonna go over there to get an Instagram with this too. And the haters are gonna hate. I just got a compliment. They said I'm bringing sexy back in this outfit. Can't deny that. So like I got cute, ready, and sexy, guys, because I'm gonna film some content for Instagram. Just like a sexy OOTD with the lake in summer. Was not meaning to go out in public looking like this. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but now I'm thrift shopping. You know, I think I see a saint right here, a sage. He's an Asian sage. So hello, I don't remember his name, but I know he's an ascended master. So just chilling, doing some antique shopping right now, looking around, and totally the fit. I feel like fancy vlog right now. It's so funny. Oh,
Looking at this one right here, but
look at all these candle stands, guys. It would be awesome for all those candles. Do some awesome magic. And look what I spy, the 5 elements. You could put like a candle in the middle with some herbs around, and you can totally do magic with that. Looks so cute. Like, I don't need more junk. If you see something like this, that's what you guys can use it for. Represent the 5 elements and have your candle in the middle, and you can do a little spell with the candle. I'm having so much fun in here, guys. Like, this would be so cool for that like Egyptian vibe, or if you're just like a gold vibe person, you can put rice or like sand, salt, something at the bottom and make that a cauldron. There's just so many neat things in here, guys. Like, you can even put your candle on that. You know, back in the day there were those. And I saw this cool big silver bowl you can totally use as a cauldron too. There's just so many neat things that you can get at like these places, guys. You just need to go through my videos, and you gotta do layers of smudging, clearing, and cleansing, because these have had different people's energies on them and stuff. But look at all this stuff. You can get a pot, a pan, use it to brew a potion. There's these just like cute like bowls. You can use these as trays for your crystals. There's just so many neat stuff, guys, that you can like DIY and do. And I think it's totally fine. I know people's like, oh, don't buy stuff from like thrift store, vintage store if you're gonna use it in your magic because of previous energies. And I'm totally sensing spirit in this room. And it looks like I see a Merlin, guys. Is he a Merlin? I think he is. He's something. He's a wizard. I feel like energy and spirit in this room, guys. There's totally someone behind me. But okay, I'll deal with them later and see if they need any help, and help send them on their way to heaven. But I was just trying to tell you guys. Let me go in selfie mode so I could see myself. It's so hard because I'm shooting in 4K. It's like everything's cropped in, so I don't know if I'm in frame, guys. But basically what I wanted to tell you was, I feel spirit in here. But no, you can get good deals, get cute pots to use to make brew potions, and you can even find cauldrons, candle stand holders. There's just so many creative things you guys can use here in your spiritual practice and metaphysical work. You just want to go ahead, cleanse it with the moon, sun, even in Gaia if you have to. Then you guys can use sage, Palo Santo, the bowl, Tibet bowls, put it on your altar and ask the ascended masters, the divine creator, to help you clear it. There's a long process, and you may receive like 3 months, almost even a year, guys. It could depend on how long it'll take for the item to cleanse, but when you get help with them, you can cleanse it, transmute it, and you can reduce, reuse, recycle, and have an awesome magical piece for a good deal. But ooh, this is just so cool. I just saw that wizard dude right away and I'm like, ooh, but no, I feel more like spirits in this room because like you guys know, this is like a vintage ass thrift store and there's totally some energies in here. But look how cute, guys. He's so cool. $50 though, what the hell? But he's cool. I'm so excited, guys. You know, when I bought this phone, I don't know, can you see the aura glow? It just looks like a blue, but in the light, if you've seen on my Instagram and you guys look into the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, it's got a cool holographic aura glow. It's blue, it's really cool. And I couldn't get these when I got the phone, guys, because they were sold out. But oh, it's kind of like that shine is what the phone is. But the lighting in here is kind of weird. Can you see it a little bit, guys? Oh, there we go. You get some cool rainbow when they're in some aura glow. But I got the headphones that I wanted last time, guys, that I couldn't get. So I got the Galaxy Buds Plus, and I'm super excited because it's the blue that matches my phone. So I got the matching set, blue. I'm wearing all blue. Got all the blue vibes going. And I also got this too, guys. I got these sunglasses. I wish they looked cooler. Maybe they might look good on me, I don't know. But on people, when they posted selfies on Amazon, it looked really cool on them. It's these like blue mirrored glasses. I just thought they would have been a little bit like this more, guys. You see how you can't really see through it as much? But they're actually pretty see-through, so I don't know how I'm gonna like these. Don't want to mess up my makeup, so I want to go eat some lunch, then film my outfit video, guys, and do it without any sunglasses, then do some shots with the sunglasses. So that's kind of how I'll look. I guess they're not the worst, but you know, thought it was a little different, but it's not bad. I'm just so excited for the Galaxy Buds Plus, and we got the blue vibes going. Okay guys, so I guess I'll be a YouTuber and I'll just unbox this for you. Wish the lighting was better and everything, but I'm just super excited and I want to open it right away. Do this more vlog style than professional, so let's see. Ooh, this is cool, but why is this looking like an Easter egg? Whatever I got, guys, looks like an Easter egg. It's just like pastel baby blue, and I can see why people would want to buy a case for this because it looks very like glossy, like it's easy to get scratched, and the little charging port in the back. Oh, it is the new style model. Ooh, this is so cool. I've never had these wireless earbuds before. I'm super happy. Look, it's already red light right here, so I need to charge it. This is so cool, guys. They have this glow on it. I want to show you like a close-up. Oh, you guys can kind of see it right there, huh? They got that like pearlescent glow, and super happy this is gonna match my phone. And what's in here are these like, oh, I guess these are those extra things. Like I got a charging cord, extra earpieces, so if I want to do different earpieces, I can do that. I'm just so happy to finally have this one. I'm bad at vlogging, guys, but have some yummy vegetarian pasta that we made, me and my mom. It looks so good. Cannot wait to eat this. So yeah, I got the Starbucks, guys. Just super excited to be on my lunch break, get some fresh air. It's so beautiful out and officially fall weather. I could wear my jacket. Heck yeah. Hi guys, a friend got me some stuff, so I wanted to vlog it and show you guys. This Himalayan salt Zen garden is really cute and it's got that modern vibe, but my room's too witchy and it's got some modern vibe, but it doesn't cool tech aesthetic that I had in high school. So I think I'm gonna use these in like magic and protect myself with the salt, do some like protection magic, because Himalayan salt is awesome for that. And I got this cool little Asian bowl, so it's kind of cute for fall. I like the little orange color, so can definitely have some Asian food and make it fall, right? So love these, and I got some gummy worms in here too. I'm just doing some midnight magic, guys, and you see the purple light emitting from this candle? It's totally the element of spirit present with me right now. Like, this is crazy. I haven't seen the candle purple like this in so long, so feeling super blessed, guys. But I'm just going ahead and DIYing some anklets right now. So this one just shattered. It's tourmaline. This is tourmaline crystals, guys, so it shattered. So I'm going ahead, I'm smudging it and just remaking it. So I just went ahead and remade it. I'm just gonna snip this off and put some beading glue on there, and then I did this other one with some rainbow obsidian. So I'm super happy, guys. This is gonna be a cute little anklet set and some awesome divine protection. Got my little smudging stick burning down here. We got some candles going. My altar is super messy because I'm doing that little project. Then right here I'm fixing my moldavite bracelet that exploded too, and it took a hit for me. So doing some magic, guys, creating some new tools, and it's just so pretty right now. I just love this candle.